Hi everyone, this is Sharita. So we're talking about Hoppin app for the Sprint Review 3. We're focusing on the core functionality here and it's for a local explorer. Let us go to set of the categories. Let us say, for example, let me go to some bars. If I click on it and it shows the nearby bars around us and we tried for cache system. Let us say I'm gonna click it as a favorite and let's go in. If you go in, it will show you the details about the place like sort of beautiful images, some directions, address, and also a provision for reviews and also trip card, which is one of a supplemental feature for the fun way in the app. It asks you to the permission to allow for to access photos, and you can click on it and you can use it to share it. Right now, it's an emulator, and there are no particular photos available here. You can comment and you can share it to your public groups. This is one of our supplemental feature, and again, you can if you notice here there is a provision to add reviews. This is for in-app users. Right now, there are no reviews, and let's quickly go add some reviews. So some blah blah posted. So you can see the one which got automatically posted. And there is something which is nice here. There is like a feed section right here. So it will show you the reviews which I have posted just now and also about the itineraries. If we go talk about itineraries, let me also show you the one which I added to favorites. You will now see it in the favorite screen. So if you remember, I added George's place as my favorite. Again, it will redirect you to the place details screen. And now let's talk about itineraries. Itineraries are something which is like a collection of places for that particular user. So if I click on add to trip, you will see it right here. There are some set of trips, and if I'm gonna adding it to one trip, it will get added. So let us go quickly check on our trip itineraries. So if you can see that there is something called third list, and there is this place right here. You can see the same thing even in the feed section as well. I think it hasn't got updated, but yeah, you'll see it in the feed section. Now I'm going to quickly get it to my friend Sandeep.
So I think if you remember, we have posted a review for one of the restaurants. So if we click on the in-app notifications bell icon, so we could see the notification got added here, and the favorites got also added here for the in-app notification. And similarly, when we try to change the password, if we need to click on the settings icon, so here we got an option to change the password. So if you enter our current password and the new password here, so we can change our password. So if you click on the update password, we'll get a pop-up notification for the emulator mobile. So here we could see that we got the notification, and similarly in the notification section also, we could see the a password got updated notification. And next we have a chatbot icon. So it works on intelligent filtering. We got the 8 categories here. So if you click on any category, we got the subcategories, and if you click on any subcategory, we'll get a list of the specific subcategory places nearby, as we've seen in the category section. And next, my friend Raghav is gonna take over.
So here we're going to discuss about another supplementary feature called gamification. So when I click on the user profile icon here, the gamification screen will be open. So as of now, the profile has not been updated yet, but you can see the we are tracking the streaks at the daily basis. If the person is logging daily, the streaks will be updated accordingly. And we have certain badges here for each specific category, and these badges will be unlocked based on the GPS location and the time frame they're going to stay in that particular place. And if those fall in the specific category, these will be unlocked, and stay the count of the also increases. Now you can see as we are having a very nearby a fire station, that's why it was unlocked, this badge, and the number of visits was also increased. So when I go to the fire base, under the user's profile, this is the user profile we are using right now. um, um, you can see the favorite place IDs which are being stored here, and in the gamifications also we are as we told you earlier, we are updating the categories based on the visits and GPS location, and this will be reflected as a rewards, and the state also, the streaks also is getting increased here on the daily basis. And we have other collections as well, like itineraries all and places and the reviews all, where we can see all the reviews public to all these in-app users. On the places we can see all the stored places IDs and cache places, and the itineraries also, whatever itinerary is being created, as we can see here. That's it.